The Dell 27 Plus QHD Monitor, Model S2725 DSM, is a 27-inch display built to offer a balance of performance, style, and versatility. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, it provides sharp, detailed visuals that are perfect for both work and play. This monitor sits in that ideal middle ground between Full HD and 4K, giving you crisp images and enough screen space for productivity without overwhelming your desk. The design is modern and minimalistic, finished in ash white, which gives it a clean, professional look. The monitor feels solid and premium, even though it's not priced at the high end of the market. The stand is fully adjustable, offering tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, which makes it easy to find a comfortable viewing angle for any type of work or gaming setup. Ergonomics are often overlooked in mid-range monitors, but this model ensures long hours won't cause discomfort. The panel itself is IPS, which means colors remain accurate across wide viewing angles. It's a 144 Hz display with a 1 millisecond response time, so it can handle fast-paced gaming without ghosting or blur. AMD FreeSync support further improves gaming performance by reducing screen tearing and stuttering when paired with compatible graphics cards. Whether gaming competitively or casually, this monitor delivers smooth and responsive motion. Connectivity is simple and versatile. It includes HDMI 1.4, DisplayPort 1.4, and dual 3W built-in speakers. While the speakers aren't designed to replace a high-end audio system, they're sufficient for video calls, streaming, and casual media use. Switching between inputs is straightforward, making it easy to connect multiple devices at once. One of the most compelling aspects of this monitor is the combination of QHD resolution and high refresh rate. Many displays compromise by offering either a high refresh rate at 1080p or a 4K resolution at a lower refresh rate. This Dell model provides a middle ground, giving sharp visuals with smooth motion. Productivity benefits as well. Multiple windows can be opened side by side without feeling cramped, making it a great choice for multitasking, content creation, or office work. Ergonomics and usability are strong points. Tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments make it easy to customize the setup to your preferred position, reducing strain during long sessions. The 27-inch size hits a sweet spot for desk setups, offering ample screen real estate without dominating the workspace. For gaming, the 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and FreeSync support combine to deliver a responsive and immersive experience. Fast-paced titles feel smooth, and casual gaming also benefits from fluid motion during scrolling or video playback. Content creators will appreciate the accurate colors and high resolution, making it suitable for photo and video editing. While it's not a professional-grade color-critical monitor, it's more than adequate for most creative workflows. Setup is straightforward. Plug in HDMI or DisplayPort, adjust the stand to the ideal angle, and the monitor is ready. Dell's OSD menu is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the cable management design helps keep the workspace clean and organized. Overall, the Dell 27 Plus QHD monitor combines style, performance, and ergonomics. Its QHD IPS panel, 144 Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync support, and fully adjustable stand make it suitable for gaming, productivity, and content creation. With a modern design, smooth performance, and simple setup, it's a versatile monitor that works well for almost any desk environment. Whether upgrading from a standard 60 Hz display or looking for a monitor that can handle both work and play, the Dell 27 Plus offers a well-rounded solution. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and high-performing 27-inch monitor.